What if the key to solving world hunger isn't in the fields, but in a lab?
Greenhouses that produce high-quality agricultural products using cutting-edge tech and facilities are commonly referred to now as smart farms. South Korea makes good use of these smart farms, and now the technology is advancing into Vietnam. Jung Eun-ju with this report.
Korean researchers are leading a farming revolution that could feed the future, one tech-grown veggie at a time.
It certainly is, and work on solar-related technology has been ongoing at a leading institute here in Korea, and researchers there have recently completed a high-tech facility that utilizes the sun's rays to grow crops indoors. Paul Lee reports.
Farming in South Korea is evolving fast, thanks to scientists who are turning agriculture into a precise high-tech science.
Smart farming technology is set to bring changes to Korean agriculture, which is struggling under the weight of an aging farming population and rising imports. Pilot projects are underway at farms specializing in various crops with the goal of modifying the system for regional use as well. Park Se-young has the details.
With innovations like hydroponics and climate-controlled environments, they're growing clean, fresh vegetables without soil or sunlight.
Said by some and hoped by many to be the future of renewable energy for the world.
This isn't just modern farming. It's a glimpse into the future of how we'll grow food.
The agriculture industry is one of the sectors in South Korea currently benefiting from AI technology. Local farms have recently increased yield efficiency on the back of AI, and the government hinted at a future installment of a new tech into its farms nationwide. Our Cho Sang-min has the story.
Korean scientists are leading a quiet revolution in agriculture, one where farming meets futuristic technology.
Groceries, the food we buy off the shelf, of course, it's all cultivated and grown on farms.
At the core of this transformation are hydroponic systems, where vegetables grow in water infused with precise nutrients. Eliminating the need for soil altogether. Alongside this, vertical farming is used to maximize space by stacking crops in layers.
EC, pH, all the different parameters as required for the vegetables to grow can be calibrated,
making farming possible even in densely populated cities. Inside these high-tech indoor farms, LED lights simulate sunlight.
Solar energy is said by some and hoped by many to be the future of renewable energy for the world.
Customized to match the exact needs of each plant at different stages of growth. These lights are energy efficient and can be programmed to adjust light intensity and color.
On this Farmers' Day here in the nation, efforts to solve the global issue of food security is ongoing across the globe. One solution is turning to alternative farming methods. Korea's indoor vertical farming is helping grow crops in the Middle East. Min Soo-kyun gets us better acquainted with this technology.
Helping plants grow faster and healthier. Everything inside these farms is controlled by advanced sensors and AI. These systems constantly monitor temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and even the health of each plant.
The technology used in Korea's agriculture sector has made significant progress in recent years, which has now led to it being exported around the world, and in some places it's being put to especially good use. Cho Sang-min has this report.
When a plant needs more or less of something, light, water, or nutrients, the system automatically adjusts. This level of precision means there's almost no waste and every resource is used as efficiently as possible.
It also operates under a hydroponic system where nutrients are mixed into water so that crops can grow without soil.
One of the biggest advantages of this scientific approach is its sustainability.
We are actually planning to export our farm in next first quarter, about 50 cultivation module. Also, we're getting a lot of requests from other GCC area, whereas Saudi Arabia and Oman and Kuwait.
Compared to traditional farming, these systems use over 90% less water and don't require harmful pesticides.
Rural communities in Korea are transforming as farmers learn techniques from scientists in the provinces. In some cases, production has surged by 40-fold.
Since the vegetables are grown in clean, sterile environments, the produce is fresher, cleaner, and safer to eat.
Now, a type of urban farming technique called aquaponics allows farmers to grow eco-friendly vegetables by combining the techniques of fish-raising aquaculture with hydroponics. Chung Eun-ju explains further.
Plus, since everything is grown indoors, crops are protected from bad weather, pests, and pollution.
Clear the crop, and then we've got to recultivate, maybe wait for it to dry out, get the tractors in there, get some fertilizer on, prepare a nice tilth, get it all planted. It could take a week or so. Yes.
But you don't do any of that now?
We don't do any of that, we just pull out the crop and new one in.
But this isn't just about better lettuce. Korean scientists are scaling these systems to grow a variety of vegetables, including herbs, leafy greens, and even strawberries.
Now, a type of urban farming technique called aquaponics allows farmers to grow eco-friendly vegetables by combining the techniques of fish-raising aquaculture with hydroponics. Chung Eun-ju explains further.
These smart farms are now being tested in extreme environments, like deserts, underground spaces, and even space missions.
There are many ways for the efficient agriculture, but one of the solutions is the vertical farm.
When you think about the city of the future, you're probably going to see a lot more of these types of farms.
Proving that farming no longer needs to be tied to soil or climate.
Sure.
Please take off your shoes here. Okay. And the air shower.
Air shower?
Air shower.
Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Particles on my clothes.
Good.
So this project is called Kirei Yasai.
Korean scientists have proven that farming is no longer just tradition, it's advanced science. With smart technology, fresh vegetables can be grown anywhere, anytime.
Rural communities in Korea are transforming as farmers learn techniques from scientists in the provinces. In some cases, production has surged by 40-fold.
As the world faces environmental and food challenges, this innovative approach offers a sustainable path forward for feeding future generations.
You can adjust the flavor, and obviously you can significantly impact upon the yields.
Clean, efficient, and incredibly futuristic. The global impact is huge. With food insecurity on the rise and climate change affecting traditional farming, Korea's scientific farming model offers a sustainable, scalable solution.
Okay. That's number 2. There's a definite difference. This is sweeter.
Their work is already influencing agricultural innovations worldwide, setting a new standard for how food can be grown in the future. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you're impressed, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-powered stories like this.